I finally tried the viral flaxseeds gel mask on my skin for 7 days and I am amazed. So stick around to find out whether the flaxseed gel mask is actually worth the hype. I started by getting 200 grams of the flax seeds from QuickMart. For context, this is how 200 grams look like, and it was quite affordable because 100 grams was going for 80 shillings. So all this minus the quarter cup that I used for this experiment was 200 grams, and I found that affordable. So now there are two main theories of how to make a gel mask. The first one is pouring boiling water on the gel and leaving it for 6 to 2 days in the fridge, and the second one is boiling in water and getting the results instant and then sieving out the seeds, or not sieving out, but I preferred the second one because I was in a hurry and I wanted to start this challenge ASAP. In 2 cups of boiling water, I poured quarter cup of flax seeds and I boiled it until there was a foamy texture on top. Then I turned off the stove and let it cool down a bit, and then I refrigerated it for 1 hour. And after 1 hour in the fridge, it was ready. I did not sieve out my seeds because it was too thick and I thought it would be such a headache, but I later on regretted as to why I did not sieve out. I should have sieved out because those seeds were a nuisance. The flaxseed gel mask it cannot be compared to Botox as people are saying, but it does have some benefits on the skin. Number one, it is extremely moisturizing thanks to the omega-3 fatty acids that are found in the flaxseed. And I have my notes here because I can't memorize all that. And omega-3 fatty acids have also been shown to repair damaged skin barrier. The flaxseed gel is also rich in antioxidants, which help with pimples, wrinkles, and fine lines. And it also acts as a natural exfoliant, cleaning dead skin for a radiant glow. That is probably why a lot of people are assuming or comparing it to Botox, because it helps clear out the dead skin. It's going to leave your skin a bit firmer and moisturized and without dead skin, so you're going to glow. So I think that is the most logical explanation as to why people are comparing it to Botox, but it cannot be compared to Botox because Botox is a completely different procedure. And I would also like to bring this across that when I was starting the mask, it was a few days after the festivities, the December festivities. My birthday is on December, so you can imagine I had eaten a lot of sugary stuff. I had eaten a lot of greasy food, which is not good for the skin and for the gut and my face. My skin was in a bad state and I was really breaking out. And also when you're traveling, I traveled a lot during that time. So when you're traveling, you don't have, the time for consistency skincare routine. Sometimes I find it difficult to carry all the items while traveling, while going out or traveling. So I just carry a few items for my skin, but the complete skincare, it's such a headache when traveling. So my skin was in a bad state, and I had some breakouts and active acne on the side of my cheek. I'm going to show you on the picture. I'm going to attach the pictures of whatever thing I'm saying here. So I started by applying the flaxseed on my skin. Day one, this was the condition of my skin. It was so bad. It was dry. It was breaking out. It was a total mess. The first thing that I noticed after applying the mask, after I applied the mask on my skin, is number one, it was so refreshing because I had stored it in the fridge, so it was cold. So it was so nice. It was refreshing and it felt hydrating on my skin. And then I let it dry for a bit. After drying, I washed off the mask. While the face was drying, the skin felt like it was tightening. Every time the mask would dry, the skin was tightening. I then washed off the mask with cold water and then proceeded with the rest of my skincare routine. So on day 2, the skin was, I took this picture after applying and washing. Day 2, I noticed that the skin was hydrated. It felt hydrated and it felt healthy and it didn't feel bulky. It felt what do I say? What is the right word? I'm lacking the right word, but it felt amazing. And the acne had toned down, but I still had some acne, but there was no active acne going on. But the thing with my acne is when you see my skin reacting, know that it is an internal problem. So it's either a hormone problem, means my gut is not okay. My skin was a bit hydrated. On day 3, the skin was visibly glowing. Yeah, you could see that my skin was glowing and it was hydrated. So I think the main thing that this mask was doing for my skin was hydrating and exfoliating. Day 4, no major changes. The skin was still hydrated. The skin looked hydrated and healthy. Day 5, no major change also, other than the skin was hydrated. The skin felt hydrated. The skin was plump and it looked healthy. By the time I was getting to day 6, I had already invented a new method of applying the gel mask on my face because the seeds were becoming a nuisance, especially when it dried. It was so messy. So I decided that I was going to sieve it around day 5, day 6 there. But now, after staying in the fridge, it was thicker, so it was very hard for me to sieve out the seeds. So I just put the seeds in the bag that I was trying to sieve out in, and then I will press kidogo. I'm going to illustrate in the video of whatever thing that I'm saying. So day 6 and day 7, day 5, 6, 7, yeah, I was using I was going over with the flaxseed in a mask in the shopping bag. If you're a Kenyan, you know this shopping bag. I was going over the gel mask in the shopping bag on the skin, and it was really hydrating because I was storing it in the fridge, and I loved it. By the way, I would actually prefer that over just the gel in a container, because this one had a cooling effect, which was really refreshing on my skin. So day 6, day 7, the skin was a lot hydrated than the rest of the days. And yeah, so I feel like the major thing that this mask did for my skin, it was hydrating the skin. And also, I wouldn't attribute it to the acne, to clearing the acne, because I clear my acne from inside mostly. The only thing that the things that I apply on my face can do is clear the ongoing, but they cannot prevent even if I am consistent with my skincare, even if I do the skincare 2 times without fail daily, and I am not taking care of my gut, or I have it's that time of the month where the hormones are spiking up, the acne is still going to appear. So I try to take care to clear my acne from inside out. On the face, I now go in with the other skincare items that are going to help in exfoliating, help in glowing, but generally my skin behaves, or it tells whatever my skin is going on, whatever is going on my is what is going on inside my body. So most of these things are to take care of the skin on the surface, but I take care of the pimples in another way, which I'm going to do in another video. So tell me if you have learned anything from this video, if you have tried the flaxseed gel mask on your face, or if you've not. I hope this video has this video impacted you? Has this video influenced you to try that? Especially if you have dry skin, it's going to be so good. It's going to be so soothing on your skin, on your face. So tell me guys in the comment section. You can also ask any questions, any comments, and do not forget to subscribe. I make skincare videos and videos about importing items from China, Dubai, and Turkey, and I also help people in importing items. So subscribe, hit the subscribe button in my channel if you'd like more like this, and you can go through, you can stalk me on my social media pages, and you can also watch my other videos to know what I'm talking about. And until then, I hope to see you on the next one. Bye. I hope you're going to hit the subscribe button.